Imagine one day you wake up and realize that everything in your life remains the same. The dreams you once had have faded, the plans you made are still unfinished, and the big goals you once aspired to achieve now seem like distant fantasies. You ask yourself, why haven't I truly changed? This isn't just a hypothetical scenario. It's the reality for millions of people. And if you don't do something to change it, you could end up stuck in the same cycle. But why? Why do some people transform their lives into masterpieces while others keep reliving the same uninspired days? The answer isn't talent, luck, or circumstances. It comes down to something far more crucial: proactiveness. Today we'll uncover the secret of those who have broken free from the chains of procrastination, and achieved success. And once you understand this principle, you'll never look at life the same way again. Procrastination, the greatest enemy of success. Have you ever thought, I'll start when I have enough time, enough motivation, or the perfect conditions? If so, you're not alone. But here's the harsh truth: you will never feel ready. The human brain is programmed to seek safety. It wants to protect you from risk and uncertainty. So whenever you think about doing something new, starting a project, learning a skill, changing jobs, your brain immediately generates countless excuses to delay it. Now isn't the right time. I need more preparation. I'll wait until I feel inspired. But the problem is, the longer you wait, the less likely you are to take action. And the worst part, you don't even realize you're stuck. Many people go through their entire lives procrastinating, never moving forward, never achieving their dreams. Don't let yourself be one of them. The real reason you're not taking action. You might think that you procrastinate because you're lazy, but that's not the real reason. The real reason is fear. You fear failure. You fear judgment. You fear that you're not good enough. This fear isn't your fault. It's just how your brain works. But if you don't control it, it will control you. And here's the truth: fear doesn't go away by waiting. It disappears only when you take action. How to take action immediately? If you've ever thought, I need motivation to start, here's what you need to know. Action isn't the result of motivation. Action is the cause of motivation. You can't sit around waiting for inspiration. You must start first, and inspiration will follow. One of the most effective techniques to break free from procrastination is the 3-second rule. Whenever you feel hesitation, count down from 3, 2, 1, and take action immediately. Why does it work? Because it helps you bypass your brain's resistance before it has the chance to stop you. Try it now. If you're struggling to get out of bed, count 3, 2, and get up immediately. If you've been avoiding an important email, count 3, 2, 1, and hit send. If you know you need to exercise but feel lazy, count 3, 2, 1, and start moving. The most important question you need to ask yourself: fast forward 5 years into the future. Where are you? What have you achieved? Are you living the life you want? If you keep procrastinating, the answer is obvious. Everything will stay the same. But if you decide to take action now, you can completely transform your life. The only difference between successful and unsuccessful people is that they know there is no perfect moment. They don't wait. They don't hesitate. They don't let fear control them. They act even when they don't feel ready, and that's exactly what you need to do right now. Your life, the choice is in your hands. You have 2 choices. 1, stay the same, keep waiting, keep procrastinating, and keep living in regret. 2, or start now, not tomorrow, not next week, but right this moment. You don't need everything to be perfect. You just need to begin. Remember, there is no perfect time. You don't need to feel ready. Action comes first. Motivation follows. Don't let procrastination control your life. Count 3, 2, 1, and start now. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.